Good morning. It is the official day of our embarkation onto the MSC Seaside. But first, we have to get to Port Canaveral. We are all packed up, ready to go. All we got to do is load up the car and get going. So let's do it. All right, so we are in the Port Canaveral area. We have just parked our car. We're doing the shuttle parking once again with Park Port Canaveral. I'll link stuff in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out. So this is the special meeting place for the MSC Yacht Club. And this is the waiting room. Once checked in, they have a nice little variety of drinks and snacks. All right, so at this point we are officially on board the MSC Seaside, and we are being escorted by this lovely woman right there in the dark blue navy jacket. She is one of the butlers in the MSC Yacht Club. And so we get escorted all the way down, and so that first area we were coming in is the main atrium area. This is one of the halls through the shopping district. And this is one of the major perks of being in the MSC Yacht Club, is having the escort service on and off the ship. You can have them escort you from your room to dinner or lunch every day if you prefer. You just have to let them know. This is the lounge area in between all of the shopping and near the chocolate shop. Definitely make sure you check out the chocolate shop. Really good high-end chocolate, and get an affogato while you're there. So these are the elevators that take us up to the yacht club. Now everybody can use these elevators, but if you use your bracelet, you get direct access to whatever floor you are trying to get to. I have a separate video on that as well. And so there's another one of the butlers grabbing some of the luggage and stuff from one of the other guests. And all aboard the elevator up to the yacht club. I was trying to come up with something smart. Alcohol, right? And that is our helpful concierge desk. So we go down this mildly length hallway, and as you'll see all of the reflective surfaces, there are tons and tons of mirrors and reflective surfaces on this ship. But it is very pretty, and they do a very good job of keeping it clean. And at the end of this hallway, we get to the lounge. And the lounge is just lovely. In here they gave us the full rundown of how the yacht club works and what to expect. We were also allowed to have some cocktails while we wait and light bites. Remember the other day? Good morning, everybody. So after our brief, we popped up the staircase to the Yacht Club restaurant for some lunch. Here is a quick look at the lunch menu. The menus for lunch and dinner do change every single day. The only one that stays the same is breakfast. So at this point, we have checked in. We are on the ship. We have had a couple of cocktails. Shh, don't tell. And it is now 12 o'clock, so for us MSC Yacht Club folks, we are able to have some lunch. So let's see how good this is. So I'm sitting here and we've ordered lunch. I can't wait to show you what we've ordered for lunch. And you can see behind me, we're just sitting in port and the views up here are phenomenal. So downstairs is where we started out at, and they give us the whole kind of rundown of what the yacht club is and what to expect. I'm up a deck. They don't do a deck 17 because apparently 17 is an unlucky number in Italy. So we're on technically deck 18 and we are waiting for our lunch. But the views up here are just phenomenal, and I'm going to show you a peek. You can see there, well, it's kind of dwindled down now, but there was a huge long line of the regular passengers waiting to get in. So I'm going to give you a peek here. So they were like all the way down up in here. All this time we've been just like sitting, chilling. So far, I am loving this yacht club experience. I have a beautiful glass of red wine. Some wine?
No, thank you.
And I can't wait to get into lunch. So that's the appetizer. Let's get into this and see what it's like. Find the right utensils. It's really good. Okay, so we have finally been allowed into our room, so I'm going to give you a room tour. So we are in the yacht club, we are in an interior cabin, and we have 16035. So let's get into this. I'm going to use my snazzy bracelet here. We're going to tap, light turning screen, and in we go. So keep the lights on. I'm going to put our card in here. So we have the buttons here for make up the room and do not disturb and general light as soon as you walk in the door. There's also the bathroom. Behind the main door is your general information. We have some hooks. We have a full mirror. We have our AC lights. Being we're standing here, let's get into the bathroom. We have two hooks on the door. All right, we have some beautiful towels with some nice yacht club logos on them. So I will say this bathroom space is a bit smaller than I expected considering we're in a suite. But we do have the nice amenities. We have the shampoo, the conditioner, body lotion, body wash, cream soaps, two of those. We have two shower caps, some nice fun glasses here, and this is the men's shave thing here. We have toilet paper, tissues, trash can. We have a nice mirror here, and I'm gonna say this shower hole situation looks a bit small. We do have the overhead shower rainfall. We have the line. We have a tray. We do have shower gel and shampoo. We have an adjustable wand. rail to hold on to. The drain, unfortunately, no footrest. I'm really disappointed, MSC Yacht Club. I should have a footrest so I can shave in the shower without struggles. All right, so beyond that, we'll go back out of the bathroom here. And back up here we have the closet. So if we open this side, we have the safe, multiple shelves, drawers, drawer. Oh, that's not a drawer. Psych. We'll open up this side, and we have two really nice robes, slippers, and hangers. So not the biggest closet I've ever seen. We have a TV, we have menus, mini bar, we have a little snacky snacks and mixed nuts, coffee, some fancy water, this mini bar here. And just so you know, we did do the online before you get here. What would you prefer in your mini bar? This is not what we selected for in our mini bar. So let me just show you anyway. This is what's in here. Very basic. The only alcohol is the Heineken. And neither me or my husband would have picked that. So I don't even know if it's worth doing the online thing. Here at the desk, we have on and on light switch. We have our notepad, controller, the daily program, 2 regular US outlets, 2 USBs, 2 European outlets. This, we've already read this, and this was just a fancy welcome aboard letter. We have the room service, scan me for food menu, pizza delivery, and mini bar. We have our phone. We have another mirror. We have some fun artwork, nice bed. Let's get next to the beds here. We do have some shelving here. We have a USB, lights on and off, lights here. That's this one here and that there. This is squishy, padded, so you don't have to worry about bonking your head. Now, again, we did do the online pre-check-in and we had requested certain pillows. These are not the pillows we requested. So, in my opinion, what's the point of doing it if we're not even going to get what we request? But we shall see. We shall see. We met our butler. His name is Glenn. He is super sweet. So hopefully we can get all of this worked out. But for the rest of the room tour, let me show you here. I love this. I'm not sure what kind of sea life that is, but it is gorgeous. And on the other side of the bed, we have the tray, just the on and off switch for here. And then we have a table we can move around. We have 2 chairs. And overall, I would say this room is very spacious. I'm looking forward to staying in it for the week and giving you the full deets on how we felt about the room. I am already concerned about the amount of storage for me and my husband because I know what we packed and I'm seeing what's available for storage in this room and I am concerned. And as I'm looking, let's see here. I think there might be a drawer here. Aha! There is a drawer here. Laundry service and a hair dryer. So that was added. And that is all. So that's the entirety of the room. I will update you as the week goes along. But full room tour, 16035 Yacht Club. Hello. Alright, so we're going to take a little tour of the Yacht Club area. So this is the private pool area. They have a couple of hot tubs around back. We'll show you those. This is the outdoor pool bar. Super nice. These are some of the yum-yums that you can get up here at the pool bar and grill. Lots of fresh eats. All of it was really good. One of the tastier outdoor poolside bars I've ever had the opportunity to try. Here is one of the restroom locations and shower off area. Here were the hot tubs that I was speaking about. There are two back here. Lovely off the bow views from here. Just gorgeous. Love this little waterfall feature. Really nice, really fun. Lots of padded loungers for you to enjoy. There's Zach checking all the water temperatures. Here's another shower and bathroom area. Just up on this pool deck area alone, I think there was like 4 bathrooms, 2 men's, 2 women's, and then I think like a handicap or unisex or whatever. Lots of places to go to the bathroom. I was really happy to see all of the options. And this is in the Aria. So if you are in the Aria spa level, this is their own little private area. We have access to the whole ship. So this is private for them and Yacht Club guests. It was pretty nice up there too. They had their own little bar. Lots of loungers. Now these don't have the pads, but definitely lots of loungers and space to sunbathe. And there is the jungle pool. That place is so cool, and they can close that off during bad weather. It was nice walking around up on this top deck area. All right, here is the super cool jungle pool area. The theming in here is amazing. Like one of the best theme pool areas I think I've ever seen on a cruise ship. Lots of loungers in the shade. They have some of the pads down here. Super kid-friendly area. So down here they have the warm pool and 2 hot tubs. My husband did think that those hot tubs were the hottest. They have the gelato ice cream bar with some soft serve. And this is all an upcharge. I think the kids' cups of soft serve are included, but you'll have to check. There was a lot of back and forth on that. Here we are checking out the Forest Adventure Park. This was okay. It's one of the kids areas. It was kind of cute. This was for like the little kids. Give you a little peek here. Lots of little cute things for all the little kitties to play on. This is where they had some of the water slides. I heard a lot of parents rave about this whole kids area. So the Adventure Force is that those like ropey areas up there, and it's just like the 3 bridges and the 2 landings. So not the most exciting thing ever, but it is neat and it is cool and is a great way for your kids to like run around and get some energy out. Here we're going to show you and get up here and go across these little bridges. So this is the outdoor sports complex area. Fun update. They have ordered a pickleball set for this area. Really excited about that.
I look forward to doing this, but I need to have shoes on. We'll do that another day.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the MSC Seaside. On behalf of our captain, Victoria staff, and the entire crew, we're excited to have you join us for this fantastic 7-day voyage. Due to the hard work of our room stewards, we are happy to announce that your staterooms are now ready. Our crew are around the ship to help guide you to your staterooms and to our vacation, so feel free to explore this beautiful vessel. We have crew members stationed around the ship.
This way to turn lights. You can capture me on it if you want. Hey girls, see that?
All right, so here we are in one of the buffet areas. Lots of hand washy stations and sanitizers throughout. Drink stations, and in here they had the basic coffee, juices, water. We did try some of the food. The pizza is really good, and in the buffet they offered different varieties throughout the day. And you could also get pizza ordered to your room. Room service is included. We did try some of the food on and off through the week at the buffet, and everything that we tried was really, really good. There was a couple of times that they had like some fresh mozzarella that they made on the ship that was available. I mean, just really phenomenal buffet. I'd say it's just as good as, if not better, than Carnival NCL. So keep that in mind. Now, are you going to like everything on the buffet? Probably not, but I don't like everything on every buffet anyway. They did have lots of good kid options as well. So if you're a picky eater or, like a little more variety, I think they have something for everyone. And the dessert was also pretty good. And here is where you can get the free soft serve ice cream. So that's at the smaller buffet. This is the larger buffet, and they do try to request you to wash your hands before you come in, even if you're not going to eat or sanitize. So I stopped and sanitized, so forgive the camera angle there. Now, there is no free soft serve ice cream at this buffet, so you have to go to the smaller one to get that. But they do have more stations up here. There is even a bar up here. Everything looked super fresh, super clean, lots of seating. Every time we came down, now there are, obviously the more preferred seating, and that gets filled up pretty quick, but we didn't have a problem finding a place to sit and eat anytime that we wanted to come down here and sit and eat. Because in addition to all this wonderful inside seating, they had lots of outside seating, and some of it was shaded. And on the nicer days, it was fun just to hang out back there as well. I was really impressed overall with the size of the buffet on this ship. And here's some more pizza. So, if they didn't have like pizza that you wanted, and I think there's there's two pizza stations in this large buffet area. So there was that one, and then there's one in the back, and there's two drink stations, one on each side. So if one side looks crowded, just walk around to the other side, and if there's not like a pizza you want on one side, go check the other side. Same things with the bread stations and the pasta stations. Now both sides did have something like a tiny bit different. Same with the rotisserie side. So, you know, make sure you do a full lap and kind of see what they have each day. But again, everything was really good. Here's their little charcuterie area with the meats and cheeses, and those were fun to eat on. Lots of yummy desserts and fruit. I was super impressed with the size and quality of everything that I saw on the buffet. And they had all the condiments that you could want to. You saw them right there as we went by. Now, they're not like on the tables, and they are kind of like in semi-weird locations, I guess. I mean, there wasn't like a great place to put them, I suppose, but they're out there. So if you are wanting something, just look for it or ask one of the workers there, and they could point you in the right direction as to where those are. Meat carving, and this was even at lunch. Most cruise lines reserve the meat carving for dinner only, but they do it at lunch. So see, here's the second pizza station. That's what I'm saying. Like, make sure you walk all the way around, and if one area looks busy, come around to the next one, because it's not as busy. I guarantee it. That was how we found it to be anyway. All right, so here we are walking around the atrium area on one of the upper decks. I can't remember. I think this might have been 8. I loved the vibe up here and the artwork there. So super cute. If you are into cruising ducks, let me tell you, this ship was the best ship ever to find and hide ducks. Lots of little places to hide them. I had the best fun hiding and finding ducks on this ship. In fact, I had my highest total ever. I found, I think, 25 ducks on this cruise. So that was a lot of fun. If you are unfamiliar with cruising ducks, I will put my video in the description box below telling you all about cruising ducks. So as you can see here, more mirrors, reflective surface areas, and as the cruise went on, several people, including myself, after having a few drinks and not paying attention, you kind of want to walk into those. Because you're like, oh, the hallway keeps going. Maybe it's darker or something. And you're like, oops, this is one of the coffee bar locations. The coffee there's pretty good. They also have alcohol. Here is the location that they do all of the special shopping throughout the week, where they have all the discounts and deals. But as you can see, like I was saying, lots of reflective surfaces, lots of mirrors, lots of chrome. Very, very shiny. And there are no little hints in the decor as of to what direction you're walking. So there was several times that we were thinking we were going the right direction, and we're like, oops, nope, gotta go the other way. So MSC, if you're listening or watching, please add some directional cues. All right, it's time for the gym and spa tour. So sometimes my husband will visit the gyms on the cruises. I typically avoid them like the plague. I get lots of steps in doing the video tours and walking on the beaches and stuff. So that's my exercise of choice. But I would say if I wanted to come and do a workout, at least this gym looked really nice. It was very clean. It smelled nice, and I know that's like a funny thing to say, but some gyms you go into and there's definitely like that funk smell of a gym. This gym did not smell like that. Very, very nice gym. And again, all the reflective surfaces. They had a cool spin room here too. Can we get a tour? Yay! Thank you.
We have the beauty salon from here.
Okay.
We have beauty salon, the barber shop, nail salon. Maybe you like to take pedicure, manicure, nail polish. And the gym.
Yep, we toured the gym.
From 6 o'clock in the morning to 9 in the evening.
Okay.
Okay. cabana area.
The what?
Cabana.
Okay, the cabana.
Yeah, relaxation area with the jacuzzi.
Okay.
And beside the treatment area for the massage.
Massage.
This
Okay.
way, thermal area.
Oh, good. We've got a reservation for later.
Today, tonight, 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Yes. We will be back later.
Dressing room for the thermal.
Okay.
You prepare the towel, you find the locker also inside. And there's the thermal area. Like we have relax area. This sensory shower. With aromatherapy with lights, have the green, blue, and red.
Ooh.
Different function also.
What's the temperature?
Fancy.
The temperature is normal. Okay. And this one, the dry sauna. We have two kinds of sauna. The red one, the engine one, and softened one.
Okay.
So what's the difference?
The soft
More
and then the
hot
finish.
on the left side, more soft on the left side.
Okay.
Where do you come from?
We live in Florida.
Oh, Florida.
Yep.
This is the first time with MSC? Or
Yes.
you have, welcome. Okay. We'll find the warm chair.
Oh, our favorites.
We're full with the barber.
Ooh,
Barber, sorry.
yes.
Snow room.
Snow room. Oh, I'm gonna peek in. Yes. Oh God, it feels so good in here. It is so chilly. Because it's so hot everywhere else. But it feels great in here.
Cool.
Yes, very nice.
Okay. This Himalayan sauna. Salt sauna.
Ooh,
Yeah.
the salt.
For cleansing the
Yes.
skin. It's good for the water standard. It's not too hot.
No,
Yeah.
yeah. I love the salt sauna.
Yeah. The bright sensory steam room.
Okay.
Okay. We have geyser here. You can stay step by step, have a cool and warm water. And you
Nice.
can use this, you can take a shower before or after the steam room.
Okay.
To relax it.
Okay.
The dark sensory steam room.
All right.
Bright one and the dark one.
All right.
One more place in open deck.
Okay.
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 Nice.
All right.
You can come every day. For today, actually, we will open after the safety drill.
Mhm.
Yeah, just to make reservation.
We're coming at 8.
Just to need the make reservation because we need to divide every hour the person who stay there is more to make more quiet. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Actually, in navigation day, too much person. In the fourth day, you can stay longer here.
Okay.
Okay.
How many hours from Florida to here?
1.5.
Yeah, it's important.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
Yeah. Okay. This all the room for the massage. We have like a talasso to Atira tender. We have 2 room talasso. You can get inside.
No.
Like have a talasso machine here.
Oh, I have a shower.
Yeah, this talasso.
Oh, that's cool. Check this out, Zach.
We did the body treatment.
Zach, check this out.
Your shower here?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's cool.
Have a steam and preparation and fishy shower when you did the body treatment, like have exfoliant, body wash, and massage.
Nice. Okay. All right. You have my attention.
Okay. You have any single room also. Okay. This is the single room.
Nice.
Okay. And the couple room.
Welcome on board. Thank you.
Yes, we have one more classroom also.
They should lock or put a sign. A sign.
Don't disturb
Yeah.
inside. We have two couple rooms, two trouser machine. The other is a single room. And then here, cabana.
Another event.
Wow.
Cabana. Here,
Okay.
with the jacuzzi.
Another jacuzzi.
It was peek. Okay. Okay, since I last checked in, we had just finished up the spa tour and I ended up getting an 80-minute massage. It was lovely. I highly recommend it. It was nice not getting upsold to, so that was a nice surprise, nice change. We are now on our way to the Miami pool deck on 16 for the sail away party. So let's say goodbye to Port Canaveral and get this party started. All right, so in just a couple of minutes, we will be sailing away from Port Canaveral, and I am staring at our next cruise port, Terminal Disney. We will be doing that in about 4 months, end of September, 1st of October, for a Halloween on the high seas. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, stay tuned. We've got lots of good stuff coming up for the rest of this year. We have cast our lines. So this was a very cute little sail away party, and we have officially left Port Canaveral, or should I say leaving?
But it's
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Still water or Ferrigino?
Sparkling.
Sparkling. Oops,
I'll
mama.
take regular. Yeah. So, we have ordered dinner, and on our way to dinner, I found my very first ducky of the cruise. I'm so excited. I haven't even started hiding yet, so I've got to get on that. And I'm going to give you a little panorama shot here of our view from the dining room. Okay, so our appetizers have arrived. Let me give you a look. Okay, so the appetizers were amazing. If you are into escargot, we both highly recommend that you try it. And if you're not, this is a great place to try it because it was amazing. So, second course has come up and we both got the halibut. Look at this. I'll tell you how it is in a bit. Okay, so we had that halibut. Oh, melt in your mouth. Buttery, flaky. Perfect. Now check out dessert. Strawberry cheesecake. Tiramisu. Okay, so the first round of desserts were really good. We got one more. Let me show you. So I'm currently in the Yacht Club lounge and they have evening snacks out. I'm gonna give you a peek. Okay, so this was one of the first night parties that they did. This was the Globe party, and this was on the smoking side of the ship, and in this area you can actually smoke. So we didn't hang out because it was a little too smoky for us, but not the worst ever. It was kind of cute. Okay, so we're going to call it a night. It is the end of embarkation day 1. I also found a second ducky, so I'm doing pretty good this cruise. I've already found 2 ducks on day 1. Food was great, drinks have been great, service has been great. There have been a couple of little things that we don't love so far. So like one of the things we don't love is all the mirrors. It's kind of dizzying. And the hot tubs so far that we have tried out have not been very hot. So we will keep checking on those. Tomorrow is our Ocean Key or K Day. Super excited about that. It's a overnight stay there. We are super excited to get off the ship tomorrow and go check all that fun stuff out. So if you have any questions, drop me a comment in the box below and I will do my best to answer them as best as I can. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather. We'll see you tomorrow.